Building a home gym on a budget can be a great way to get in shape and save money on gym memberships. Here are some steps to help you get started. Assess your space. Choose a space in your home that can be dedicated to your home gym. Consider the size and layout of the room, and the equipment you want to include. Set a budget. Decide how much money you want to spend on your home gym and stick to it. Research equipment. Look for used or budget-friendly options for gym equipment, such as resistance bands, dumbbells, kettlebells, and a yoga mat. You can also try second-hand shops, online marketplaces, or discount retailers. Prioritize. Decide which pieces of equipment are most important to you and focus on acquiring those first. Get creative. Use household items as makeshift gym equipment, such as using water bottles as weights or using a chair for step-ups. Utilize bodyweight exercises. Incorporate bodyweight exercises such as push-ups, squats, and lunges into your workout routine. Make use of free resources. Take advantage of free resources such as online fitness tutorials and workout apps to get the most out of your home gym. By following these steps and being mindful of your budget, you can build a home gym that fits your needs and helps you reach your fitness goals.